All right, guys, welcome to another trading video from Binary Masterclass, and we've got a good one for you today. I think you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video because we show you exactly how much money we made in this 75-minute trading session, which was actually one of the smaller profits we've had all week. So stick around to the end for that. But today we're also going to give you a couple of strategies that we use to successfully win at binary options on a regular and a consistent basis. You know, we trade, one of our main strategies is a reversal strategy where we're looking for a currency pair to make a reversal and then we make money on that reversal. And one of the things that we use to determine when a currency is going to be reversing, aside from some support and resistance indicators that we have and other kinds of things, is the use of complementary currency pairs. Watching other pairs with the same base currency to see when that currency might be making a move, to see if it can telegraph a move in our trade. And you can see we're in a CAD franc trade right now. And this one ends up pushing us to a fourth entry, which does not happen very often. But when it does, one of the things that we use to determine when the currency might be reversing is by watching complementary pairs. And you can see we're watching also Aussie franc. And I begin to see some red on Aussie franc prior to red on our CAD franc. And then I'm waiting, and if that Aussie franc breaks the support, which it does right there, it gives me the confidence to know that CAD franc is probably following. I do place my fourth entry trade based upon the telegraphed information from Aussie franc. Our CAD franc sticks around at the support for 30 seconds or so, but then does move through that support and more cleanly into the money for us, meaning we win this fourth entry, and in doing so, we're actually profitable for the series. Even though we lost 3 out of the 4 trades in that sequence, we still made money on that sequence. So you don't have to win every trade in order to make money in binary options. You have to have a plan, though, that allows you to win 60% of first entries and still make money. And we have that plan. It's taken us a number of months to develop, and I wouldn't say perfect, but improve it to the point where we lose 3% of trade cycles, maybe. And so it's essentially critical that you have a plan that allows you to lose entries and still make money. I win about 60% of my first entries, and I make money virtually every day trading binaries because of our plan, because of our money management. And that's part of what you get by trading with us in the trading room, is you get access to that plan. You get access to the indicators that we're watching, all of those currencies that we have up in the board that we're watching to give us an idea of what the currency that we're trading is going to do. There's hours and hours and thousands of dollars of lost money have gone into developing the strategy, which now actually last week made me the #1 trader on pocket options. We've actually got some of that verification in a previous video. The next trade, and look at, we're up to $3,800 in profit in this session through 10 trades. It's going well. You can see these wins just keep cranking. The profits just keep cranking through. We did lose that first entry, but Aussie USD, I think, is going to give us a win here. Wow, into the money, $419 profit in the bank, which is great. We do get into an Aussie CAD trade right here, though, that goes sideways on us. It's down at a support. It's just having trouble at that support. And had our entry been timed a little bit differently, we might have won that first, but we didn't quite get the bottom of that range. So we're in our second. Again, it's messing around at that support. It's trying to figure out what direction it wants to go. And had our entry been placed slightly different, we might have won it, but it does break down through that support, gets into that next area, the next level, and just, you know, we lost confidence on the timing of that particular pair. And so what we actually decided to do is abandon the third on that pair. You can see here I'm waiting with my finger literally on the trigger to maybe take a third there, but actually it looked like it has made its move before I could take the trade. And so I actually just move over to a different currency and I keep my second trade size, and there's a 60% chance I win, and I win as a first. And actually we've made back 2/3 of our loss with that one trade. I think one more successful trade and we'll be back in the money. And sometimes we lose a third entry and we need maybe 3 trading cycles to make up that loss. It doesn't happen very often, but occasionally it does. And typically we recover that loss in the same session. So in this particular instance, we kept our second entry trade size, moved it over to a different currency, and won that entry and regained most of the loss that we had. So it's a part of our strategy, allows us to win consistently, allows us to take losses and still be profitable. So one of the things I think is critical is that you have a plan that is well thought through. You can't just come into binary options trading and expect to make money by taking big trades and expecting to be doubling your account. Like you see, and the wins just keep coming. We're back up to $4,200 profit, so we've actually now made up for that loss, and we're back. This next trade, we will be at the high of the day profit-wise, trade 13. You can't expect to just come into trade binaries and throw trades against the wall and expect to make money like you see on other YouTube videos. You've got to have a plan that allows you to win consistently every day. It doesn't matter if you win 3 days and then blow those wins, and dig a deeper hole on the 4th day. You need a plan that allows you to win every day, and on the days that you take losses, you learn how to manage those losses, keep them reasonable, and then quickly recover from them. We typically recover from a losing day within the next 1 day, maybe 2, but it doesn't take us long. As we're getting towards the end of our session here, I think we had 21 or 22 trades. Look at that clean first entry win, another 450 bucks. Banked over $5,000 profit. You can do this, guys, with us in the trading room every morning, Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. for the regular session, or our premium members get access to the extended session, which begins 45 minutes earlier. We typically win 10% in both sessions, oftentimes more. I think we were 27% today between both of our sessions. And let's see, we've only got a couple trades left. Look, we're at $5,500 profit. Just banked another $1,000, $6,500 profit. We're a little over an hour trading right now. I told you we'd show you exactly how much money we made. Trade 20 puts us at $6,700. Rolling through these trades. We're going to lose a first, take a second. It's fine because our second actually profits more than the first. Another 500 bucks in the bank. Here we go. I think it's our last trade of the day. And boom, second entry win, $500, $7,750, or 34.2% in 75 minutes. And again, guys, I think this was the smallest win for me of the week. I think all of my other wins that week were over $8,000. So we'd love for you to join us in the trading room, and we'll see you there. If you like what you're seeing and want to learn how you can make money trading binary options, then head on over to binarymasterclass.com or click the link in the description to join us in our live daily trading sessions, where you will have access to our team of knowledgeable, friendly experts, our full suite of custom indicators, as well as a host of other benefits to help you make consistent daily profits. As always, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like. If you have questions about the ins and outs of trading binary options, drop a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the trading room.